students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. Our next question is, if the pair of lines represented by the linear equation x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0 and ax plus by minus 12 is equals to 0 are coincident lines, then find the value of a and b. So if two lines are coincident, means the ratio of their coefficient will be equal. That is, a1 by a2 will be equals to b1 by b2 and will be equals to c1 by c2. So in this two equation, our a1 is 1, a2 is a is equals to b1 is 2, b2 is b, and c1 is minus 4 and c2 is minus 12. So from here we are getting 1 upon a is equals to 2 upon b is equals to, this is negative and negative sign will get cancelled out, 4 ones and 4 threes are, so it is equals to 1 upon 3. So using this equation 1 upon a is equals to 1 upon 3 means a is equals to 3, and using this equation 2 upon b is equals to 1 upon 3, that means b is equals to 6. So from here we have value of a as 3 and value of b as 6. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.